Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and fuel. This is critical. First, measure battery voltage and ensure the APU control has adequate starter power. Low volts stop the sequence. Once done, plug in a diagnostic tool and capture any fault codes, then write them down so you can track cause versus symptom. While the tool runs, visually inspect fuel hoses, filters, and the shutoff valve for blockages, leaks, or water. Doing these steps prevents wasted troubleshooting time and gets you on the right path. You now move into detailed component checks. Start the starter motor test, energize the solenoid briefly and watch current draw. High draw indicates binding and needs replacing or lubrication. Next, change the fuel filter and measure fuel pressure at the pump or injector. Stable pressure indicates adequate flow. Also inspect oil level and the APU air inlet for debris. Foreign objects can choke the unit. Make any adjustments, tighten electrical connections, and rerun the diagnostic to confirm progress. You finish by attempting a controlled APU start while monitoring N1, exhaust gas temperature, oil pressure, and system temps closely. If the APU stabilizes, hold it idle and verify no abnormal vibrations or leaks. Then clear fault codes and log the repair. If the start fails, stop and reevaluate. Clear codes, recheck fuel delivery and ignition components, and try an external power or bypass start to isolate starter-related faults versus fuel/combustion problems. This single troubleshooting tip usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.